Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download TikTok videos on computer, laptop or MacBook. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. Sometimes it's inconvenient for you to download videos from your phone to your computer, so you can do it right in the browser. So we go to Google Chrome and enter TikTok. Go to the site and we have videos. If you wanted to download a certain video, then opens its link, so just right click on the video and click download video. Wait for a while, click on downloads, right click and show in the folder. As you can see, the video has been successfully installed. That's how simple it is. Also watch my other videos about TikTok at the link in description and you will learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial made your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye. Have a nice day.